Hey there Candy Crush lover, ever seen those limited time events in Candy Crush and thought what are these or how do I join before they disappear? Well, don't worry, in this video I am going to show you how to participate in Candy Crush Saga event. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, make sure your app is updated. Candy Crush event drop like candy rain and you don't wanna miss them. Now open the game and land on the home screen. On the main screen, look around for event banner, timer or tabs like Candy Royale, Sam Streak or Season Pass. Tap on them to check what's live. Here's the sweet part. Most events don't need anything special. Just play your normal levels and you are automatically competing in the event. It's like leveling up while you are getting free loot. After smashing a few levels, go back to the event screen and claim your reward. Gold bars, booster and more. The more you play, the more you collect. Simple, right? Events are usually time limited, so keep an eye on the countdown. Don't let your free goodies expire while you are stuck on level 367. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can participate in Candy Crush Saga events. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.